The graph on the left is my equity curve before doing the Kata challenge. 4 months of live trading where I was all over the place, booming and busting, not consistent. And the graph on the right is my equity curve after the Kata challenge. 4 months of live trading with a consistent profitability. Kata is Japanese for form, the practice of correct forms. Choreographed patterns of movement that are practiced until mastery of a single form is achieved. We apply this principle to trading skills. The Kata challenge is a complete method of learning to trade. It introduces 3 basic patterns that are easy to identify and gives a methodology for learning them in a safe way while getting lots of stick time to build trading skills using the best simulator of all, the actual market. We'll walk you step by step through the indicators and patterns we use, as well as the other aspects of trading, like proper psychology and beliefs, setting up a trade log, how to analyze and assess your results. Rather than learn lots of theory, this course gives you what you need to start trading a proven edge so you can learn by doing. The Kata challenge is performed in the example intraday, but the patterns are fractal in nature and can be applied to any time frame that best suits the trader. It works if you work it. Your mileage may vary. This course is available now, so make sure to contact us for special deals and bonus offers we have going on right now. You can contact ablewaytech@gmail.com or visit our website at ablewaytech.com. Thank you.